Hello, I'm CG This is a quick video to show how to make Playblast render in Blender. Playblast render is a quick preview animation from the 3D viewports. We can switch to wireframe, we can switch to solid shading, or we can switch to material preview to render the viewports. And we can change the angle. This is the animation that we make before I make the object spinning. So if you want to see how to make it, you can find the tutorial in this channel. Before render the Playblast, we can set the output properties. So go to output properties, and then we can set the resolution, frame rate, and the frame range, and make sure that we set the output location. We can click the folder icon and set the location. This is default location. I keep it and then press accept. And then we can choose the media type. We can choose image sequence, and also we can choose video. I will choose video and then go to encoding. Make sure that we choose video codec to H.264, and container we can switch to MP4. After setting this, we can go to Fill and we can find Render Playblast. Click to render it. After rendering, we can go to File folder. I go to C drive and temp folder. We can find the MP4 for the Playblast render. Double click to preview it. So this is how we can make Playblast render in Blender. Thank you for watching this video. Hope this helped. Please subscribe this channel. More video will be shared with you. I'm CG Ian. See you in the next video.